Okay, to do 29, you're going to type the question in Y1, you're going to graph it, and then you're going to type each answer in Y2, and you're going to find the graph that matches. So let me show you what I mean. You're going to go to Y equals, let me change my mode back to normal. So we're going to have x squared plus 12x plus 36, oh, I'm not in Y equals. X squared plus 12x plus 36. We're going to graph it. So that's what I want my answer to look like. So let's type in A and see if it looks like that. X plus 4 and x plus 9. So no, that's clearly not the same graph. Let's try the next one. X plus 6 and x plus 6. Graph. There's what I want my answer to be. And yep, it graphed right on top of it. So B is the graph that matches. Let's look at example 2. X squared minus 3x minus 10. So that's what I want my answer to look like. Let's try A. Nope, that's not the same graph. B. That's what I want my answer to look like. Yep, that's it. It graphed it right on top of it. So B is my answer here. So if you watch the video and you still miss number 29, I want you to do these 4 problems. You can just write 1 and tell me if it's A, B, C, or D. Also, if you missed 29, write down what you think the correct answer should have been and why you missed it. Last one for this number 30. Again, there's no easy way, sadly. So let me do a couple of examples and hopefully you'll get it right. So 1, which of the following is an expression? L is a function of m, and, this is the important part, 4 divided by m equals L. Okay? So here's how you do function notation. Whatever it equals goes out here. Whatever letter I used in my equation, I used an m, that's what's going to go in parentheses. So let me give you some more examples. Normal function notation looks like this. F of x equals, and then it'll be like x squared plus 2. And again, I used an x here, so an x went here. But if I had a plus 6, well, I used an a, so I would write this as f of a. Alright, so let's do another one. Let's do example 2. You and your friends decide to go to the movies. Each movie, M, costs $10. So it's $10 for each movie. And they used S's instead of M's. That's weird. So it's 10S. And then I want to know the cost to go to the movies in function notation. So again, because it's 10S, the S is going to go inside the parentheses. So it should have been B. This wasn't even in function notation because it didn't have the parentheses. Let's do another one. F of x is 2, means equals, so I'm going to put my equals. 2 less than, this is great, less than, means subtract. It also means you write it backwards, so the 2 goes at the end. And then 5 times a number, and I'm going to use x for my number. Now, F, and again, whatever letter you used in the equation goes in the parentheses. So the x goes in the parentheses. So if you still miss number 30, I want you to do these 3 problems. Remember, whatever letter used in the equation goes in the parentheses. Okay? So try these 3 problems. And also, if you missed number 30, write down what you think the correct answer should have been and why you missed it.